And here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Lenovo Thinkvision M14t portable monitor. Now this isn't just another 14-inch Full HD portable display, and I've covered quite a few. What makes this unique is that Lenovo has included an active stylus, has over 4,000 levels of pressure sensitivity beyond the traditional 10-point multi-touch experience. Of course, USB Type-C, that is 3.2, support, so phones and computers alike are supported. Power pass-through. It also has the ability to be used in both portrait and landscape. It is self-aware because it does have the hardware to know which orientation it's in. And I think this is a unique product. And Lenovo just asked me if I wanted to take a look at it, and here it is. So the first thing we see is a travel case. Another nice thing about this that I've already seen from the information beyond the included stylus that you see right here is that it also comes with an L-shaped power delivery cable, and we also have its own docking system. So really a clean look. You're going to see that as I get it out of the box. So there is the active stylus. Let's take a look at that. Powered by a quadruple A battery. Let's see if I can get it out of here. There goes the battery. And again, I've covered a lot of different portable monitors, but none of them are as feature-rich as what we're about to see here. So we've got two buttons on the stylus. Of course, battery is going to pocket in right here. And again, no one really has tried to make a display that's going to be aimed at productivity. Most manufacturers out there are just trying to give you exactly what a portable display is, which is a secondary monitor that's light and solid for on-the-go practical use. This weighs in at 1.5 pounds. You can see some instructions here on how to use it, which I will look at later. We've got some paperwork here, or is it paperwork? These are cables. That, I think, was all of the paperwork. We've got, this is that Type-C cable that I was mentioning with the L-shaped adapter, so a good way to keep things tidy. And then beyond that, what do we have here? Is this for cable management? Some clips, I'm not sure exactly what, but let's get to the monitor itself. And again, at 1.5 pounds, this is fairly average. I don't think there's anything else in here, so I'm going to get this out of the way. But fairly average for what these sort of displays generally weigh. And I think this just started shipping this month. And it's just, I think, a very smart take on the portable segment, giving something to professionals and traditional users alike that if you want to be able to do any form of annotations, if you want to be able to present any work, take notes, and let's say you don't have a touch screen or any form of pen input on the computer or phone that you plan to hook this up to, now you do. So clean look out of the box, no question about that. That is not a matte finish, I'm sure you already noticed. On the right side, we have the actual physical power button, Kensington lock, and Type-C port right there. On the other side, we have the on-screen display button. I believe this is brightness control and the other Type-C port. And then you may have already noticed this is that dock that literally just flips out. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And this is how, and I think it's really smart that they did this, you can just prop this up and adjust it to your needs. Gives you full flexibility, essentially any angle that you would want, whether we're talking about presentation or, again, note-taking, you've got it. And then the beauty of this is that when you want to go into portrait mode, this stand also supports that. So I think it's really intelligent in terms of design. Again, I've seen a lot of panels, and none of them have addressed taking the actual practicality of portable displays to the next level. Let's go ahead and I'll see if I can. I think I'm going to have to connect this for pass-through in order to power it on, but that I'll save for another video. That'll be one where also we can demo the inking experience and see what that is like. Because, I mean, that's really the beauty of this, is that if you are someone that needs pen input and does not have it natively, that's what you're going to get out of having something like this. Is that, again, I'm not aware of any monitors on the market that are going to give you this experience. And in terms of color accuracy, you're talking about 72% of NTSC in terms of the spectrum, 99% of sRGB, and that's completely practical and usable. Do I think that that's going to be good for graphic design? No, but that's not who this is aimed at. This is aimed at business professionals who want a secondary display they can take anywhere, but they can still use it in a way that, again, they can't necessarily use their traditional computer, because if you own a ThinkPad that doesn't have touchscreen or any form of pen input, well, now you do by spending a little over $400 US. And the whole idea of this hinge, I think, is great if you're coding. The fact that it has the ability to detect, whether you're in portrait or landscape, that's another thing that just other portable touchscreen displays do not address. And all the branding is exactly what you would expect from Lenovo and the ThinkPad line. Matte finish on the back, little Lenovo branding. All of the heat dissipation appears to come, the ventilation is right here on the dock. So I'm just excited to test this out because, again, this is progress in the form of portable monitors that we just do not have right now. Again, I've covered a lot of touchscreen and, in general, different portable monitors, not so much on the 4K side, but Full HD is still the mainstream for an additional portable display. And the fact that this has its own kickstand, comes with a carry case, comes with a pen, it's a very complete package. So I do believe if this performs to expectation, you are going to be getting what you pay for. So stay tuned for an update on this, full review. You will be getting it. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe and please stay safe. Later.